Hello, today's video I'm going to show y'all how I clean my hair brushes. So I'm going to put the brushes in the pot, put water in the pot, and put it on the stove, and it's going to boil. When they get through boiling, the hair brushes are going to be clean. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family. Bye. So I'm putting the water in the pot. Now I'm going to turn my stove on. I'm going to put it on high. So it's on, the burner is on. Now I'm going to let the water boil. And now I'm going to take this brush. Oh, this might melt. I don't know about this. We're going to see. I'm going to put the brush in here. Like that. I'm going to put my other brush in here. Like that. My other brush in here. Like that. So I got all three of them in there. And I'm going to let the water boil. And when I get done, they're going to be clean. So, that's the water. And I'm going to let it boil. And when I get done letting it boil, the brushes are going to be clean. Y'all see the water is boiling? And this is how the brushes look. See? They're dry. They're dry. It's dry. So I'm going to take them out of here and put them on a towel. Bye.